Hello, everyone. This will be the first video introducing Onepiece Trade Tech, a financial technology company offering financial data analytics to fellow retail investors focusing on Forex and cryptocurrency markets. Onepiece Trade Tech aims to help traders, particularly in the retail, Forex, and crypto markets, make more informed trading decisions based by extracting valuable actionable insights hidden in the large volume of institutional order flow data that are traditionally not available to retail investors. The goal of our company is to bridge the information gap between institutional and retail traders by offering investors a more transparent view on what's going on in the markets. Unlike futures and equity markets, where there's one centralized exchange, where investors can go to either CME or NASDAQ and spend a fortune to get order flow data. While the data itself is large and scattered, of course, for these investments to pay off, the investors need to have the knowledge to extract insights that can help them make a better investment decisions that could help improve their bottom line. On the other side, for retail Forex investors, in Forex 101, we were told that there's no real volume, there's no real transaction in Forex because it is a decentralized market. It is an interbank market. Thus, in Forex market, 99% of retail investors do not even realize order flow data exists. Whoever does may not have enough capital to obtain such information, or whoever does may not have enough knowledge in market microstructure to extract meaningful insight. For institutions like Warren Buffett, if he decide to buy a stock, he does not buy 1 million shares of Apple in one day or in one order. He slowly accumulates his position across several weeks or even months. For institutions like this, as long as they are not high-frequency trading firms, they are not changing their investment decision at a whim. Normally, institutions start building up their position while they try their best to minimize the market impact and hide their intentions. However, as long as they execute trades, there will be a trace left in the order flow. The order flow data itself are just scattered individual piece of transactional data, like data collected on a crime scene. At Onepiece Trade Tech, our job is to collect this data real time, then analyze and recreate the crime as it happens, and inform investors what is actually going on in the market right now, what assets institutions as a group are actively buying or selling. Investors always talk about following the smart money, but what exactly is smart money really? It is just a concept. Investors come up with indicators or patterns or zones and speculate that is what the smart money doing. Well, I'm acknowledging above tools, but there's a critical limitation for these tools. As long as they are based on price information, they are just lagging, since price is the result of transactions. When price moves, a transaction has already been done. Onepiece Trade Tech, we analyze orders as they are executed and monitor the institutional money flow independent from price. This provides retail investors a complete new perspective to analyze the market. Onepiece Trade Tech is currently the first and the only service provider with this analytical capability and offering such insights to retail investors in the world. We are fully aware of the demand for this service out there, and we are here to let the open-minded investor know that such service exists and are available. In future video series, I will introduce our product, how to sign up, and how to integrate with your current trading decision-making processes. See you in the next one.